Unraveling, it's fairly common, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English as simple and enjoyable as possible. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard quite often but might not fully understand. It's fairly common. This phrase is a small key to a big door of understanding everyday English, and we're here to unlock that door together. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down what "it's fairly common" actually means. The phrase combines two important words, fairly and common. Fairly is an adverb that means to a moderate degree or reasonably. When we say common, we're referring to something that occurs often or is widely known. So, putting it all together, it's fairly common means that something happens often enough to be considered not unusual or is reasonably well known among people. It's a way of saying that you shouldn't be surprised by whatever is being discussed because it's somewhat typical. To fully grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Weather patterns. In this region, having rain in the summer isn't strange. It's fairly common, actually. 2. Cultural practices. In many cultures, having a siesta or a midday nap is fairly common. 3. Technology use. Finding people who don't use smartphones these days is hard. It's fairly common to see everyone glued to their screens. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various topics, from weather to technology, illustrating its versatility in conversation. Understanding when to use this phrase can help you sound more natural in English conversations. It's fairly common is perfect for describing prevalence, when you want to indicate that something is not rare or unusual. Reassuring someone. If someone is worried or surprised about something, you can use this phrase to reassure them that it's a normal occurrence. Sharing cultural insights. It's a great way to introduce or explain cultural norms or habits that might be new to someone. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "it's fairly common." We hope this video has shed some light on how and when to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it rich and vibrant. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your daily conversations to get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.